Hi there. Copenhagen siblings Christian Ada Michael and Julie Kronstrom came up with Mate out of a shared passion for the bike. Their goal was to create an affordable, foldable, e-bike that is not only fun to ride but is cool enough to inspire everyone to hop onto one. Mate X is much more than an upgrade. It's a completely new bike. A bigger, and longer frame that is fitted with wide rim fat tires. Its color scheme is fittingly more bold and extreme. The Mate X is the latest member of Mate e-bike series, which weighs 57.3 pounds without battery. The new e-bike is designed to fit everyone, and the adjustable saddle and handlebar allow it to deliver an optimal riding experience. Meanwhile, the foldable design allows it to be folded down very compact, 91 cm high, 76 cm long, so that you can easily bring it along anywhere you want. The 100% forged aluminum alloy frame delivers a lightweight and durable construction. 5 bold color options bring some personalized aesthetics to the electric bike. Mate X is available in 3 models based on different batteries and motors, including 250, 250 Plus and 750S. Offers up to 55 miles riding range. The Mate 750S is the most powerful version in the series, which features a 750 watts electric motor and 48 volts 14Ah battery pack in order to offer a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Moreover, Mate X also features 2 4-inch all-terrain fat tires that bring every rider ultimate comfort and improved control and handling. The front and rear full suspension design allows for smooth riding, and the Tektro-mechanical disc brakes protect you from some dangerous accidents. There is an integrated backlit LCD display at the center of the handlebar that shows you all data including speed, distance, and battery life. An extra USB port allows it to charge your smartphone during riding. Thanks for watching us. Bye.